Molly, what did you get into? Molly, come show the camera. Look what you got into. Yeah. Oh, Flirt and Vixen, you guys have it too. Yeah, that's mud. Yeah, we've got muddiness. This is awesome. Let's go look at the culprit. Here's the problem area. Not really sure what happened here or how bad it is. Hoping my husband calls me soon. And here's Molly again. Hey, Molly, let's not go in there. Hi. Yeah. You've made a big old mess. How about you guys? Hi, Flirt. Oh, look at you. Are you dirty? Yeah, Mama's going to have to bathe everyone, huh? Let's see if we can tell how dirty Vixen is. Oh, well, there's all three of them. All three guilty parties. They want to go inside. I mean, clearly that's not going to happen. What they've done to my door in the last few minutes. That's awesome. Yeah. Tiny culprit. Big culprit. Hi. All right, time to